Here he is. Here he is. You look like a deer in headlights. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. So guys, we are finally going to be doing the headlights on the Datsun 720 pickup truck with an SR20. So if you're new here, hit subscribe for all this good stuff. Now you haven't seen these headlights, they're pretty universal, they're like universal motorbike headlights, they're like aftermarket things, you can put them on MX-5s, you put them on everything basically, even Jeeps and stuff like that. You haven't seen them yet, but we're going to try and wire them up to the Datsun. It's part of the Resto Modern stuff. Here it is. You got the tool, you are a tool.
You're a tool.
No, you're a tool.
Your face is a tool.
Thanks mate, I needed some motivation today, that's really upset me. So yeah, so that's part of the Resto Modern part of it. It's just to refresh everything, and obviously old headlight technology is bad, like it's crap. You know, these are projector LEDs. They do work, there's even DRLs on them. It's just a way to make the front end look nice, because obviously I've repainted the grille over there as well. So that's what we're doing today. So join us for that. Right, so what are we doing first? Nicola? Oh no, Nick. What are we doing?
Just
People really like the videos that me and you are in, by the way.
they're absolutely ridiculous.
It's just a shit show, isn't it?
Yeah, pretty much.
Nothing ever actually gets done, really.
No, just me and you getting upset that I've broken something or I've touched something wrong.
Yeah,
or...
pretty much. Although, side note, I was going to do a video today about a new carbon fibre piece for the Z.
Yeah.
That's why when you were like, oh, are you going out? I'm like, no. I was just sat in my car getting it started because I was sweaty. But the new carbon fibre piece doesn't work, so that's going back to eBay. That's the beauty of eBay, ladies and gents.
Awesome.
I've cut myself, I've got a boo-boo. So anyway, what are we doing next? So basically, we've got the new... So this is the projector LED headlight that I was talking about. They are so universal. They're on so many things. But they are cool, and they really do work. And I think on this front end, with the newly painted grille, I think this is going to look epic. And, guys, I've got brand new LED side markers, right? Because these, you know, the old ones are just trash.
LED?
Okay.
LED?
No, these aren't LED.
No,
the LED headlight.
You said LED side markers.
No, I didn't.
Ooh.
Oh, whatever, doesn't matter. But basically, old, new, old, just a way to refresh it, make it look nicer. Because I've already repainted the grille. So, so this should be good. But basically, we're just trying to figure out how to wire it up, because there's two LED systems, and we're trying to add a third because the headlight has an LED as well. So that's what we're doing, because obviously side LED. Fucking LED indicator. There's two indicator systems. My God.
No, I'm not saying it. I'm just saying
I'm tired. I was up all night because of my car. All the joys.
Yeah, it was good.
Anyway, so side indicator. There's an indicator down here, and we're trying to wire in the third from the headlight.
Yes.
So that's what we're trying to do. We're just trying to identify what wire does what and figure out the wiring itself. So what have we done thus far? This is the old indicator wire, which we are then going to put into the headlight wire to see if it then completes the circuit and then the headlight works, because previously they weren't working. That's bringing everyone up to speed. So we're going to do that and then figure out if it actually works. Right, so just plug it in, turn on.
Yeah, turn it on. Turn on the lights as if you were having the headlights on. The other headlight doesn't come on, so yeah, it works.
Does it work?
Yeah, turn the indicators on.
Let's have a look first. But the DRL didn't come on.
It won't, mate.
Why not?
Oh, yeah, that's a good point.
Well, yeah, exactly.
Yeah, go on then.
But indicators, yeah?
Yeah. Ah.
Not working?
Yeah, it is, but not the way that you'd expect it to.
Is it just flashing lights?
It's flashing the DRL.
Well, that's not right, is it? How are we going to do that? Huh.
Oh, maybe I just got around the wrong way. Hang on. Oh, that works, mate. How'd that not work last time?
Huh, then maybe it's this one that wasn't working, because I only did this side.
Hang on, let me just try and turn these round.
Oh, yes!
Yeah, it's that way round.
Yes!
Hang on, then what happens if I touch that one together? That one. And that one?
It's working.
Oh.
What if I turn the indicator off? What about the DRL?
Yeah, hang on, turn the indicator off. Let me just touchy.
Because the DRLs would be epic.
No,
Tap
it
don't
doesn't
run
do
it.
anything. Hmm.
When you remove one,
No. Touch it.
bloody Chinese.
And why would that not be working? Ah, it's so bright. Have you got the full beam on?
I don't know.
Try turning full beam off.
I don't know which one's the full beam on.
Just turn something. That's off. That's off. Oh, that's weird.
I know. What's it doing?
It turns off, like totally off.
Because that's full beam on the store.
Right. Oh, hang on then. Hang on. Let me just plug these back in. So it was black to green, which is weird. Oh my god, Sean. Right. That one into that one. This really, really, really dodgy one into there.
Right, so what am I doing?
Plug in, turn it back on. Headlight? No. Yeah, okay, so headlights work. Now do full beam? Yeah, that's weird, they turn off.
But the other side is on. Look,
Yeah, that one goes on and stays on.
how weird. They go off completely.
Yeah.
Shouldn't be doing that.
Hang on. What if you plug
No.
Yeah,
That's
hang
what
on.
you did on your MX-5, didn't you remember?
No, it didn't. It was reversed.
Oh, right.
Well, I'm just wondering, you know what yours seem to flash between that one and the other one?
Yeah.
I'm wondering if this one always turned off on full beam and you only have full beam on one side.
Why would you only have full beam on one side?
Sorry. I don't know. But maybe the wiring study. I was going to quickly reply to this.
Right, so we are now in the Z. You've got to go off to a local hardware store because we ran out of, well, basically need to rewire the whole headlights. Need new connectors, need some different gauge wire. Yeah, not good, not fun. It's proven to be really, really difficult actually, a real pain in the ass. So this seems to be, like, we'll get it done, we will get it fixed, but it's taken a while, so we're gonna go do that now. See, there you go, that's better. Right, anyway, sorry, this is all going grainy for a little bit. I'll include a clip so we don't look like idiots. It goes grainy. Why is it going grainy?
Probably.
We've done it,
I never look like an idiot.
haven't we, Nick?
Nope.
No, we haven't done it. So basically, we've managed to only get the dips to work. Main high beams don't work, only dip beams work.
Yep.
We can't get the DRLs to work. And, what's the other thing? Oh yeah.
Fuse.
Yeah, we've got blown some fuses, so the backlights now no longer work. But the thing is, again, like I spoke about in the fuel filter video, was that it's hard to find and locate the fuses. I found one now. No, you won't. I found the fuses now. I'm going to replace it tomorrow, and hopefully the backlights will now work. So, not really a success, was it, to be honest?
Yeah, wins and loss, because you, in doing it, learnt that it's bad. So you now know that we might have to rewire the entire thing if we have to.
Well, also one side, the right-hand side of the car, is actually dimmer than the left-hand side of the car for some weird reason. I'm going to look into it because I think it's actually to do with old cars having right-hand drive cars. Maybe one side's dimmer than the other. I don't know. Probably not. That's wishful thinking.
Is that like me and you? One side's dimmer than the other. Which one's the dimmer one?
Well, on this side, it's the left-hand side. So. Anyway, whatever. Fuck's sake. So it's a bit of a failure, but it does look cool. If they worked, it would look cool.
Yeah.
Wouldn't it?
Honestly, I really don't care. Even if it's my car, I wouldn't care because it goes well now, doesn't it? That's so
Oh,
much more
the
important.
engine.
Yeah.
Yeah, the engine is cool. In fact, actually, we need to go out again soon because we need to get your actual reaction to it properly. I've never done a proper driving video in it yet.
Have you not?
Just a brief little clip of me testing it. Yeah.
Yeah, but it'd just be me and you giggling the entire time.
I
There's
know.
no talking. It'd just be...
I don't care.
Oh, okay.
And I think these people would like to watch that as well. Probably not.
What are you calling these people?
They're all 5 people that watch these bloody
Hello,
videos.
5 people.
Right. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Take care.
Yeah, you got to do the zoom in.